Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 7 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Now, can you believe it is already day 7? I cannot believe it. I can't believe it. But I'm excited about today's gift because I'm pretty sure I know what it is. So let's dig in. This is day 7 and I think it's a charm pack because that's what it feels like. Well, let's open it up and find out. It is. It's interesting. Oh, look at how pretty. It's a cone of cotton solids, but what's interesting is there's only 3 colors. Very interesting. 42 pieces. Robert Kaufman, cone of solids. Looks like a red, a turquoise, and a pink. Very curious. My guess is there's something to go with this. There's a project to go with it. Sometimes we get them the next day, but I'm not sure. So I'm not saying that's my guess. I haven't looked at the next package. Either way, fabric's always good. I'm very curious about this. Okay, let's guess day 8. Now this is your warning. I'm not showing anything until I give a good warning. All right, here we go. This is it, day 8. Very squishy. Feels like something is inflated in there. I have no idea what this is. I don't know. Any guesses? It's kind of light, but not really light. There's a little bit of weight to it. I'm not sure. Huh. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. And oh, the other thing I want to talk to you about was these little sweaters. I've been cutting out these cute little sweaters. Look at, it's from the wrapping paper. So I was thinking you could make gift tags, or you could even laminate them, make little ornaments or whatever, put them as garland or something. Anyway, they're cute. They turned out so cute. Okay, let's move on to the rolling pin. I did use it yesterday. I made some peanut butter cookies. It worked okay. It probably would work better with shortbread or sugar cookies. I'm not a baker too, so that's important to note. I'm not very good at baking, but it turned out cute. I mean, you can definitely see the imprint on them. They did puff up a little bit, but still, it was fun to use. I kind of like it better for sitting on a shelf or something like that as a knickknack. I get concerned about it not being able to be cleaned super well, and if you do clean it really well, like soap getting in there and with it being wood, I don't know, I'm just skeeved out a little bit by that. But overall, I do love it. I'm putting a value of $15 on it. I was gonna say more, but when I started investigating, there are a lot of these out there and they're a lot bigger and they run for like $20, $25, but they're double the size. So I'm gonna say 15. Let me know what you think about that price because I'm still on the fence about it, but that's where I'm going, or that's where my mind is right now. I'd love to hear your opinion. So that brings our total for day 6 up to $83. I can't even believe that. That's crazy. And a grand total of $96.95 for this entire box so far. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you real soon. Bye.